Hello, today I'm going to be walking you through ceramic 3D printing on the 3D PotterBot printer. And today we are going to be using a 10mm sized nozzle. The 10mm sized nozzle is actually very big in 3D printing and in ceramic 3D printing. It's pretty much unheard of on other ceramic 3D printers going as big as 10mm, but we can also go smaller. You can actually go all the way down to a 1mm nozzle on the PotterBot printers. So we're gonna go ahead today and we're gonna get started. I'm going to put the clay extruder onto the printer. I'm now going to level the nozzle height to the print surface. We are going to upload the file here on our interface and we're going to go ahead and start the print. So one of the big benefits of the PotterBot is it has a very user-friendly interface. And this opens in a web browser, so any device that has Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable can connect to our printers. So that means phones, tablets, laptops, and just regular desktops can connect to our printers. There's no software updates. The printer doesn't even connect to the internet, so it's very friendly and everything is just run on your local network connection. There's no cloud software required for our printers. So now with the extruder on and the printer fully set up, we are going to start the print. And when the print starts, we're also going to be doing some small adjustments on the controls, such as the print speed and Z height baby stepping, to control the extruder height in relation to our print surface. So while the job is printing, you can see the remaining time left on our interface here. So here it says we have another, I believe it says 6 more minutes left to go, and you have live controls over the extrusion rate and speeds. So if there is a tricky part of your object that might need to print a little bit slower, you can go ahead and lower the speed pretty much at any time here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the lower speed button here. And now we are printing at slower speed. And we are done printing for the day. And one of the things I didn't mention earlier is the clay we use, and how it's a pretty big advantage with our tube extruder system here is we use basically what you use on a pottery wheel. So we do not use slip and we do not use watered down clays and things like that. And that really lets you get these huge object heights and wall widths with the big 10mm nozzle. Okay, as you can see, we're now on the next day and our vase is complete. Now you can do all of the traditional pottery process, such as putting this on a drying rack, firing and glazing it, and making it any kind of color you'd like to make it. I want to give a big thanks to all of our customers. Thank you for being with us. We are now in business for 10 whole years now. So it's been a pretty amazing journey through this whole process of making a 3D printer ceramic company. So thank you very much for being with us. All right, and don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our website in the video description to learn more about our equipment.